Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about AI SEO for Webflow, and Webflow is known to be not so SEO friendly, but I'll make sure we are redefining the things, we are redoing the stuff and making sure our Webflow website is ranking at the very top. So we'll start with the mainly three stuff. There are three variables in SEO: on page, off page, and technical sides of things. In most of the cases, your technical SEO would be kind of okayish until you touch it and until you kind of, block Google crawler and stuff like that. But in most of the cases, I know you won't. We'll keep that exception and we'll just focus on the true stuff. And those are on page SEO and off page SEO. And yeah, as I said, until and unless you have done the basic settings on Webflow wrong, technical side of thing, it's going to be correct, right? So let's start with the on page side of stuff. On page is basically optimizing your content on your website. And off page is basically the backlinks part of stuff and all the stuff that you do on third-party website. On page, you do on your own website. Off page, you do on third-party website. So we'll be kind of focusing on page first and then off page. But here's the thing. You can automate on page SEO, but you can't automate off page SEO yet. So in this video, we'll be, as I said, the title is AI SEO. We'll be mainly looking at the stuff that could be automated, and that is on page SEO. We'll be seeing how you can rank for terms like best coffee maker and any other term that you want to rank for. We'll be quickly analyzing why this particular website is ranking so good, right? This particular one, and how you could do the same. So if you start seeing this, they have got, I'll quickly check the on page for you. I'll quickly check the heading structure. If you see, they've got 6,000 plus words over here. The title contains the keyword that they want. Same with description. Same with heading 1, heading 2, another heading 2, another heading 2. If you see, all of these places, they have got their primary keyword, that's best coffee makers. This is an important stuff. You have to maintain the ratio though. You cannot have 15% ratio of your keywords to content. You have to maintain a 1 to 2% at max. That's what I prefer and that's what I would suggest. But yeah, this is very important. Plus, yes, a lot of people do ignore the URL. So make sure you are also having the primary keyword in your URL. It's kind of the foundational stuff. It's the very basic stuff. Now let's see the content part. Let's see why this particular website has got such a good content, and why the content is really good. So if you start with this, the heading 1, it's pretty fantastic. I really love it. Then the image, a really good, cool image, not a stock image too. It's, even though if it's stock image, they have got tested and reviewed API here, which makes it unique. They have got a table of content. All products are independently selected by our editors. If you buy something, we may earn an affiliate commission. This is a good stuff. If you're an affiliate website, I'll suggest to kind of put that in your content, maybe put a note and stuff like that. Then they have got an internal link, another internal link, another one over here. Same. So they have got a lot of internal link, right? This is very important stuff. Another image. Then they have got the link to the websites from where you could purchase it. A video here, right? Then another image, a gist, right? Or a summary of the content. Here it is, a bit of specs and all the stuff. Then FAQs are frequently asked questions and those stuff. And this is what makes a content really, really good. Now we'll be using a tool named as Try Journalist for this. You could do this yourself as well. But as the title says, AI SEO for Webflow, I'm going to focus on that. So this is a tool called as tryjournalist.com. You could just go on this tool and it will give you 3 free articles. This is the tool that I've been using since last 8 months or so, and it's performing really well for us. And this is the reason why I would suggest you this tool. You can certainly use ChatGPT or maybe Claude as well, but the main stuff is they don't really have the stuff that this one does. For instance, internal linking, a bit of more context, some external linking features and all the stuff. Now you just have to create an integration and click on Webflow if you want to automate all your content parts of Webflow. But let's see why this tool is so good with content. This is an example content, right? If you see this, the tool has got an image, then a really good keyword focused title, a table of content which I was talking about, then introduction, key takeaways, another heading section, image, and those stuff, gist and stuff like that, you know, if you see in a nutshell or gist of that particular section. Then a video. This is freaking important. This is something that very few tools are having, or they're not really good at picking the right video. They just pick irrelevant one. We don't want that. Then an internal link, another internal link over here. Here's a table, another internal link over here, another one, and whatnot. FAQs as well, and then with the description. This is what we want. A lot of the tools that you're seeing in the market, they don't really have this. And I'm not really saying that, hey, just purchase this one. You could just try out any tool in the market. This is what I am using, right? And if you start using this, you could get traffic pretty fast. I've got some videos on my channel as well. If you check that out, we have got 10 million or 15 million impressions using this tool. So that's something you will surely target if you're doing it right way, if you're doing the keyword research part correctly, which another one I've got a video on. If you're kind of doing the content right way, posting it, boom, you are doing it right. And that was all for this one. Let me know if you have got any question, and feel free to comment below. I'll be there to answer you. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.